Want to upgrade your home with the coolest gadgets? Here are 5 must-have home essentials that make life easier and more fun. Let's dive in. 1. Rechargeable hand warmers. Perfect for winter, these fast-heating, long-lasting hand warmers will keep you cozy. Great for outdoor activities and daily use. 2. MagSafe Power Bank. This 10,000 mAh wireless charger snaps right onto your iPhone and keeps your battery alive all day. Compact, lightweight, and ultra-powerful. 3. Rocketbook Fusion, a reusable, eco-friendly planner that lets you write, erase, and sync notes to the cloud. Perfect for work, study, or daily planning. 4. Mini HD Projector, turn any space into a home theater. This 1080p projector delivers a big screen experience in a compact, travel-friendly size. 5. Automatic toothbrush holder and toothpaste dispenser. Keep your bathroom clean and organized with this wall-mounted set. No more messy counters. Which gadget do you like the most? Comment below.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more amazing gadgets. See you next time.